how to report someone on Discord. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. So to actually do this, you want to go to support.discord.com instead of doing it in the actual Discord app, because that is not possible. So once you're here on this website, you want to click on submit a request, and once you're here, they will ask what can we help you with, and right here you have to select an option. So you want to select trust and safety, and then right here you will have to fill in your email address, choose a report type. So there's actually a lot of different report types. So let's say it was spamming. You will have to select that. Then what you want to do is, where did you encounter the reported content? So let's say on let's say on a direct message, and then how is this spam? User is sending spam. This is a spam what account. For example, this one. Choose a subject, write or type in something in the description, and then right here you have to paste in the message link, and then basically what you want to do is you want to go to Discord and you want to go to a chat, and this is, for example, the what's it called, the message you want to report. And then click on more, then copy the message link just like that, go back, paste the message link in here, and once you filled all that in, you can submit a request, and then they might ban that person or something like that. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.